Good morning, good evening, sorry. Start with the great name of Allah, who was the most merciful and beneficial. So as you know my name is Sunil Kumar, and my father name Lalchan. Today is my presentation topic is child labor. So today we have discussed about the child labor, that what is child labor in Pakistan or worldwide. So that today Pakistan facing many problems like child labor, which are destroying our society and as well as our economy. Like corruption, poverty, population growth, child labor, and many other causes. So today we have discussed about child labor, not others. So today Pakistan is facing many problems throughout the world. But in third world countries like Pakistan, there are approximately 158 million people, children work as like child labor. According to the UNICEF, according to UNICEF means United Nations International Children and Emergency Fund, there are approximately 158 million children work as child labor, and child labor is the most permanent issue of all the serious issues. Pakistan is the top 10 countries having a issue of child labor. Are above 40 million children below 5 to 15 age are working as a like child labor. And the question arises what and why do children get into child labor in Pakistan? There are many causes to children like a child labor. For example, causes like poverty, excessive population, children who come first poverty. Children who come from poor families may be forced to work and support their families, support their parents and siblings, and to supplement the household income. Poverty is the basic reason to the child labor because these children are forced from to work and earn a little money to support their families and earn a little amount of day by day. And number excess population. Excess population in villages, there is a trend of early marriages and have a large number of children. They have no choice to work, but they have earn a little money for their children, and they have considered children. They consider children as their source of income, and they work them to work like in pulling carts and repairing machines, to work in factories. And selling goods. And number 3, parental illiteracy. Parental illiteracy is the also cause of child labor. Parental illiteracy that many developing countries like Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, China, America, and etc. having a huge problem of this cause, parental illiteracy, because so the parents do not consider, because the parent is illiterate to support their child labor. And the illiteracy rate of Pakistan is in male, the illiteracy rate of Pakistan is 68.63%, and the female illiteracy rate 40.63%. 63%. So Pakistan allocated only 2.3 budget for education, but in 0.3 budget in education. And number last, failure of laws. Failure of laws is also cause of child labor. Failure of laws means the government should not rise to the children, and the government should not have rise to the children. And what is conclusion? Solution. What is solution and suggestion to we stop the child labor? Solution that parents should pay attention to getting their children education and pay their demands, and government should provide their some books and free cost, and we are the World Day against. On June 12 there is a World Day against that people around the world come together and mark the world to say stop, enough and enough, stop the child labor. And what is conclusion of my this topic? The conclusion is children are working of their own, no choice. These children are forced to go to the child labor, and the force of their parents and his age was that is, and government always should provide some books and free cost of their children and the child labor. Thank you.